Hey everybody, Eve here. Let me adjust a different phone today. So if it looks like you don't know where I'm looking, it's because I'm actually trying to look into what I think is the eye of the camera, which makes it look like I'm looking at you. But unfortunately, this is an older phone and I don't know, it's weird. It's just weird. But today, the video is a little bit different because I'm going to be sharing with you an unboxing of a particular plush animal that I ordered from an artist that I've been following for years and finally decided, yes, I'm going to purchase one of her amazing creations. The artist is Ala of Ala Bears, and she has an Etsy store, and there will be links to all of the information about where you can purchase a bear similar or totally unlike the one I ordered. So the one I ordered is it's a Boston Terrier puppy, and well, without further ado, it arrived today. I ordered it last month, and I am very, very, very excited to be sharing it with you today. So give me a moment while I get over here and get a knife, put my glasses on, and the glasses will help for all of you not to see where it's like I'm looking over here. It's crazy. I'm telling you, doing videos isn't easy. A lot of people have the expensive stuff and it makes a big difference in the quality of your productions, but this particular YouTube influencer does not have any of the bells and whistles, and I am not apologetic about it. Because I broke, okay? I broke, I gonna stay broke, alright? Because even if I have money, I'm not gonna be spending it on expensive YouTube production stuff, okay? Is that alright with you? Okay. We've got that clear. So now I'm trying to figure out the easiest and best way to open this box without damaging this relatively expensive plush toy, which is for adults only. Ala does not make creations that are for children. So, some of you elitists out there that, like to purchase really, really, really expensive items for your kids, well, go right ahead. But I tell you what, I think it should be illegal to give children items like this, because being an artist myself and having formerly created very lifelike looking dolls called reborns, you don't want to put all of your blood, sweat, and tears into these fabulous creations only to have children tear them up. Okay, now this is awkward, kids, but I want you to see me actually doing the unboxing here. And if I can do this without, severing or amputating a finger, even if it's just a little bit, I don't even want a paper cut. I don't like those either. So, and I'm sorry, I don't have an easy way to do this. This tape of what you use. Since her name is Ala, she must work for God, because this doesn't want to come up. Okay, there we go. Man, it's like, okay now, not trying to cheat anybody. And this incredible moment, and I'm sure she does a very, sorry guys, I have to step out of the frame for a second. Opening it. Ooh. Oh, peanuts. I hate peanuts. But they are very effective packing materials. So let's see. Let's kind of separate them. And let's see if I can gingerly, not so gingerly, open this up. And wow. Feels nice already. Feel it through the packaging. Looks promising. Okay, now let's see how she did this. You know, I'm one of those people that, you know, even at Christmas time when I get presents and when people package them so beautifully, and they've got the pretty bows and gorgeous paper, and you can just see they spend a lot of time making that a really special, you know, gift by packaging it so nicely. I just hate tearing it up. But we're getting through this first, which is this. Get through this first. Oh, it's got a note. Oh, hold on. I gotta set it aside while I read the note. It says, Dear E, thank you very much for your purchase. Looking forward for great puppy to join your collection and to being family for years to come. You are always welcome in my toy shop. A la Bears. Best wishes. A la Bears. Look at that amazing handwriting. Wow, Ala. I will be getting back with her and thank you. Unwrapping. 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 Oh, so cute. Now there's got to be some adjusting here because she had to package the little sweetie for shipping. So now we got to kind of situate things. Oh, so delicately. Oh, so delicately. Man, you got to be patient to be an artist, that's for sure. Okay, look how cute. So cute. And exactly like the photograph. Exactly. Allah, you are so amazing. So amazing. Look at those ears. Look at this little guy. Comes with the adorable. I just love keys, guys. I used to also create junk journals or journals that people call junk journals. Long story short, I use a lot of keys. Anything that's very antique or, you know, steampunk, whatever theme. You choose the theme. But everything will look aged and rustic, and that's exactly the look you're shooting for. And look, jointed, so he can sit, which of course is what I'm going to make him do, or curl. And then she's got the little hang tag that says A la Bears 2020 original something sweet puppy. Vintage sweet puppy. Guys, don't let these glasses fool you. I still can't see. I'm still blind. But, ouch. His hairs get to me too. Adorable. Allah. This puppy has actually exceeded my expectations. Adorable. And finally, after years and years and years of stalking this woman, always being on her website, looking at all of her precious little creations, I finally got to own one. And all I can say is, if you don't know who Allah of A la Bears is, follow the link and get one of these. You will choose the plush animal that you want, and a lot of them are bears, and she does make elephants, she makes kittens, she makes puppies. I mean, different breeds of puppies. This is the Boston Terrier, which is amazing. And yeah, look at that. Just look at that. Just look at that. Very nicely weighted. I mean, it's handcrafted, so it's going to take her about a month, because whatever you see on the website, she won't be sending you that particular one. I chose this one, and it looks exactly like this. I can see no difference whatsoever. None. None. And people will tell you you can never create something exactly alike. No, this is exactly like the one on her website. Exactly. Exactly. And I'm in love. So cute. And I will find a special place to display this. And yeah, I'm going to cherish it for years to come. And again, thank you, Allah of Allah Bears. And oh yeah, and I wasn't compensated for this. She didn't solicit me, and I'm doing this because I just happen to love her creations. And yes, I waited a month, and I am blown away, blown away. So that's it for today. While you're here, please thumbs up, comment on, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And while you're subscribing to my YouTube channel, please ring that notification bell for future video uploads. And may Christ bless each and every one of you most abundantly. Okay?